Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to show you how you can spend 3 to 10 seconds of your time daily to make at least $3 doing something very small, like just going to a website, minting ads. And basically what minting ads is just watching a video or visiting a website through hashing ad space just to spend a couple of seconds on that video or on that ad, and then they pay you up to $3 or even more sometimes, depending on the quality of the ad. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump into it. So as you can see right here, I'm on the hashing ad space dashboard. This is my dashboard, and if you click on that start minting ads, it will take you to the web to the ad, and you have to spend just 5 to 10 seconds. But I already completed my ads for the day. As you can see, the countdown time right there. Okay, sorry, I'm just gonna log in right now. So basically what you have to do is there's a link that I'm gonna leave down below. You click on that link, you sign up, and then you verify your email address, and that's it. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds as well to sign up for this website. Once you log in, it's gonna look something like this. Let me just log in quickly here. Okay, so you have the countdown right there at the top. 2 seconds, 1. Okay, so you just click dashboard, then you go to the dashboard where you're gonna see your profile and your earnings so far. And okay, so here we are. So currently that's my online as well, but now okay, this is just another random ad. So what I'm gonna do now is just click add complete ad meeting, and then it's gonna show this. So if you had bought that package that I was talking about, you click on next ad and then you get another ad. But right now, since I'm using the free package that I recommend you guys to use as well, just gonna get the congratulations, you've minted all your ads for the day to increase it. And then yeah, so that's it. And then you just have to wait for until the 19 hours is over, and then they'll pay you. So just gonna refresh quickly. I have to log in again, and it doesn't allow you to stay logged in for long, but it's not a problem. So I'm just gonna log in to show you that okay, everything is actually show that everything is done. And then with the ad, okay, the payment is not in yet. Let's say 19 hours from now it's gonna be in when just before I complete another minting. So you can complete it any time, whenever you feel like completing. So we're back on my dashboard, and it's gonna quickly load, and let's see what's okay. So as it just recorded right now, I've made 1 out of 1 for the day. And okay, so right now they're working on updates. They just sent me a message like this today, and so that's why you can see the my cash, the money is not yet it's not showing on here. It usually shows right just below the ASIMI for tokens. It shows in US dollars converted. So right now I have about from the last video that I showed, it was about $13. Right now it's about 15. With this one today, it should be $18 tomorrow. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, hit this like, subscribe button, and leave a comment down below if you got any questions. Stay tuned on this video for more passive income ways to make money online, and I'll check you on the next video. Peace.